So, hello everyone. For this video, I'm going to to show how how to do some basic formulas, doing graphs, um, um, getting the percentage, and printing the MS Excel document, and also the average, and getting the average. So let's start in addition. So here in addition, let's say that I want to add a 5 plus 5. So we're going to type 5 and then 5. And then in order to get the answer of this, you're going to type equal sign and then 5 plus 5 and then enter, and you will get the answer. And but there is also a easy way in order to get the answer, and that would be a type the equal sign and this the B1, select this cell B1 and then plus sign and then select the cell C1 and then press the enter button, and the answer would be 10. And in subtraction naman, and in subtraction, we're going to, let's say we're going to subtract a 10. 10 my subtract by 3. So all we have to do is to again type the equal sign, press the B2, um, add the minus sign, and the C2, and then enter. So 10 minus 3 is equals to 7. Next is multiply or multiplication. Let's say that I want to multiply 7 times 3. 7 times 3. And then again, we're going to press the equal sign and then tap this B3 and asterisk C3 and then press the answer. So 7 times 3 is equals to 21. So let's go to the division. Let's say that I want to divide 20 divided by 5. So all we have to do is to press the equal sign again and then this the B4 and divided by C4 and then press enter, and the answer would be 4. So 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. And also here is summation or sum. So in getting the sum of this, all of this, we're going to type equal sign, then type sum, double click, and then press the B1 to B4 to D4, B1 to D4. Then we're going to select, yeah. And then press enter, and the summation would be 100. Next, we're going to identify what is the minimum value of this in each cell. So we're going to type again the equal sign and type the min just double click and then select again the B1 to D4, and then we're going to type the enter to click the enter button, and then that would be 3. So among all of this, the minimum value is 3. And then in getting the maximum value is, again, type the equal sign and then type the maximum value or max. Then again, press the B1 to D4. And then press the enter. And the maximum value is 21. And that is the basic formulas here in MS Excel. So now let's proceed on getting the average of here in MS Excel. So let's say that I have a name of employees. There is a Luna, Lani, Leo, Leia, and Levi. And for the monthly salary of Luna would be 30,000. Lani is 25,000. Leo would be 28,000. Leia is 20,000. And Levi is 22,000. So in getting the average, just need to type the equal sign and then type the average, and then the double click and then select from B2 to B6 and then press the enter, and the average monthly salary would be 25,000. Next is, how are we going to get the percentage? So let's have a percentage. Monthly salary. So we just need to adjust, and then in getting the percentage monthly salary, there is a very shortcut, and that would be is to press this B2 to B6, then click here and press totals and the percent total. Press the percent total, and that would be, you will get what is the percentage of each here in the name of the employees. So next is the graph. So how are we going to do graph? So in making a graph, we just need to press this A2 to C6, and then we're going to insert recommended chart, and then there is a graph chart. There's also a pie chart over there, but I can see here because it is only a recommended one. Oh, here Here is a pie chart, line, bar graph, and many more. So I am prefer to use this bar graph. And then we're just going to adjust here. And then we're going to add title. The title will be, let's say that the company is ABC company. So that would be ABC salary. Yan. And as you can see, the number one, which is Luna, got the high among the rest. And then followed by number three, which is Leo, got 28,000 here. And then followed by Lani and Leah, Levy rather. And then there is Leah got 20,000, so she will be the lowest from the lowest. And in printing in MS Excel, you only just to click to press the control sign and then the P on the keyboard, print, and then this. This is what you can see on your screen. And then if you're going to print, just connect to the printer and print. And that's all. And I hope you learned something from the basic formulas, creating a graph, getting the percentage, also the average, and printing the MS Excel. And one thing that I want to give tips for everyone, there is only one tips, and that would be to save your MS Excel before you do anything. What I mean is you first need to save what you are doing in your MS Excels, because if you're not going to save, you're going to lose everything. And that would be all. Again, my name is Atienza Mark C, and thank you.